Unveiling the Benefits. Explore the world of intermittent fasting. Introduction. In recent years, the ancient practice of intermittent fasting, IF, has been revived and embraced as a revolutionary approach to eating, disrupting the traditional framework of dieting. Surging with popularity, intermittent fasting has become a trending topic not just among health enthusiasts, but anyone on a wellness journey seeking sustainable habits. This powerful lifestyle choice, characterized by strategic cycles of eating and fasting, could unlock a trove of health benefits. And it's time we delve into how. Understanding intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, it's centered around when you eat. This concept isn't new. In fact, it's been a part of human history and many cultural practices for ages. By alternating between periods of eating and fasting, the body experiences an ebb and flow of metabolic states, each offering unique benefits. The varieties of IF, from 16-8 to 5-2 and beyond. The most popular method, the 16-8 approach, involves fasting for 16 hours and consuming meals within an 8-hour window. There's also the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and restrict calories significantly on the other 2. No matter the style, adapting intermittent fasting into your routine promises a cascade of wellness payoffs. The surprising health benefits of intermittent fasting. At the heart of intermittent fasting lies its influence on the body's internal clock or circadian rhythm and metabolic processes. Research has illuminated its potential to 1. Amplify fat loss. By optimizing hormone levels that regulate fat storage and burning, IF can aid in weight management and reduce body fat percentage. 2. Enhance cognitive function. Fasting periods contribute to improved concentration, neuroplasticity, and may lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. 3. Boost metabolic health. Regular fasting improves insulin sensitivity, blood sugar levels, and can lead to reduced inflammation, all keystones of metabolic health. 4. Promote longevity. Emerging evidence hints at the potential for longer lifespans in those who incorporate fasting into their lifestyle. 5. Autophagy, the body's refresh button. This fasting-induced process prompts the cleaning out of our cells, removing damaged components and contributing to cellular repair and regeneration. Supporting your wellness journey with intermittent fasting. Embarking on intermittent fasting is more than a dietary choice. It's adopting a wellness philosophy. It's understanding that our bodies are designed to face periods of abundance and scarcity, and harnessing this natural mechanism can lead to improved health. Here's how you can make the most out of your IF routine. 1. Personalize your fasting plan. Not all fasting schedules suit everyone. Listen to your body's cues and choose a fasting plan that aligns with your lifestyle and health goals. 2. Stay hydrated. During fasting hours, focus on staying well hydrated with water, herbal teas, and other non-caloric beverages to support the body's natural detoxification processes. 3. Make every meal count. When you do eat, opt for nutrient-dense foods such as vegetables, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates to maximize your energy and nutritional intake. 4. Gradual transition. Ease into intermittent fasting by slowly extending your fasting window to prevent overwhelming your system and to adjust more comfortably. Is intermittent fasting for everyone? While the benefits of intermittent fasting are compelling, it's not a one-size-fits-all remedy. Certain individuals, such as pregnant women, those with certain medical conditions, or individuals with a history of eating disorders, should consult with healthcare professionals before starting IF. Intermittent fasting is far more than a fleeting wellness trend. It is a lifestyle backed by science that can lead to profound improvements in overall health and well-being. Whether you're looking to sharpen your mind, enhance your body's resilience, or jumpstart your #wellness journey, intermittent fasting might just be the gateway to unlocking your full health potential. As you explore the world of intermittent fasting, remember that your journey is individual. Start slowly, listen to your body, and consider seeking the advice of a professional if needed. The path to wellness is multifaceted and personal, but intermittent fasting could offer you the transformative change you've been seeking. Are you ready to unveil the benefits of intermittent fasting and embrace a new chapter in your wellness story? Share with us your experiences and let's foster a community of health and longevity together. Begin your journey with intermittent fasting today by downloading our comprehensive guide and join our community for more insights and support. Are you new to intermittent fasting or have a success story to share? Drop your comments below or connect with us on social media using intermittent fasting and #wellnessjourney. We're here to support you as you unlock the potential of your body's natural rhythms. Remember, the key to a successful intermittent fasting experience is consistency and adaptability. It's about finding the right balance that works for your body and lifestyle. Get creative with your eating windows, experiment with different types of fasting, and always prioritize your well-being. Take the first step on your fasting journey. Starting something new can be daunting, but the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. By incorporating intermittent fasting into your life, you're taking control of your health in a proactive and empowering way. With each fasting cycle, you're giving your body the chance to reset, rejuvenate, and restore itself. Stay educated and informed. As with any wellness endeavor, knowledge is power. Continue educating yourself about intermittent fasting by reading the latest research, consulting experts, and tracking your body's responses. Keep an eye on our blog for more updates and deep dives into the science of if. We're here to guide you through every step of your intermittent fasting journey, offering tips, recipes, and motivation. Don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for the latest updates and strategies straight to your inbox. Final thoughts. Intermittent fasting is more than just a way to lose weight. It's a lifestyle choice that could lead to better health and a deeper understanding of your body's needs. By tuning into your eating patterns and honoring the natural cycles of fasting and feasting, you have the power to transform your health from the inside out. Ready to unlock the potential within? Let's embark on this wellness journey together with intermittent fasting leading the way. Here's to your health and a vibrant, energized life. Dive deeper into the world of intermittent fasting with our expert resources and personalized support. Sign up today for our newsletter and join a community passionate about health and longevity. Your wellness journey awaits. Remember, every individual's journey is unique, and the advice provided in this blog post is general. It's important to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. We look forward to supporting and celebrating the milestones of your wellness journey. Welcome to the transformative world of intermittent fasting.